Hi everyone, I'm Amy. Today I'm making ramen noodle skillet dinner. This is a quick, easy, and colorful meal that takes just a few ingredients. So let's get started. Thaw a 1-pound package of frozen stir-fry vegetables. In a microwave-safe bowl, add 1/2 to 1 pound of baby carrots and 4 tablespoons of water. Cover with a lid and microwave this for 4 to 5 minutes or until the carrots are tender. Then remove them from the microwave and set them aside. In a large skillet, brown 1 pound of ground beef over medium-high heat. And be sure to remove any excess liquid. Then add 2½ cups of water. For this recipe, you will need 2 3-ounce packages of beef-flavored ramen noodles. Add the 2 seasoning packets to your mixture and stir together. Now break each package of ramen noodles into 4ths and place them into your skillet. Next, add your thawed veggies, and then drain your cooked carrots and then add them. Stir this together. Then put on a lid and reduce the heat and simmer this for about 4 minutes or until the noodles are tender. Salt and pepper to taste. And here it is, ramen noodle skillet dinner. And you can change up this recipe by using different vegetables. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. In a microwave safe bowl. In a microwave, you will need 2 3-ounce packages of ramen noodle beef. And then drain your cooked carrots and add them. And then drain your cooked carrots and add them. It doesn't sound right no matter how I say it. Maybe we should say it a different way.
Put them in.
And put them in. And then drain your cooked carrots and put them in. And then drain your cooked carrots and then add them. It just doesn't, the more I say it, the worse it sounds. That's not right either.
Another word for that.
Put them in. Put them in the skillet. Pour them in. Place them in. Put them in. Stick them in there. Then drain your cooked carrots. And here it is. Ramen noodle skillet.